No, Rex, you're in front of the camera. Get back. Stay there. That's good. Okay, now I've got to wait until the computer screen does something cool. Okay, Rex, off you go.
I don't get this.
You just read it.
I can't read everything.
It's just stuff like what va, what va, what va.
Read everything.
Just start with what va.
I can't.
Okay, do you want to do L, L?
Oh, I can't.
Was it written down? I'll write it down. That's good bit.
One, two, three.
Why do we need, Daddy, why do we need shoes? Why do we need shoes?
We need shoes.
Why?
Cut.
We need shoes. That was good, Rex. Whoop va, 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 whoop va.
Tell me when you're finished.
Achoo, achoo, achoo.
Is there off button the video? Do you want to do an...
I'm doing this. Yeah, put the camera. Okay, start filming whenever you like, mate.
I am.
Are you filming or not? You filming now or not?
No.
Too sunny.
It's a bit sunny, isn't it?
No.
Did you film that?
Yeah.
Have you stopped filming it?
No. Cut. Should I stay or should I go now? I don't know what goes next after that.
Delph, you're singing.
Stay or should I go now?
Delph.
Should I stay or should I go now?
I wish my mum could do it.
Should I stay or should I go? Should I stay or should I go now?
Good. Hey Rex, you're on. You made the computer do something. What's that? Are you sure you want to shut down your computer now? No is the answer.
Where's no? Cancel then.
Cancel. Yeah, cancel.
Go now. Why are these buttons on? These stickers.
They're for editing, mate. They're editing stickers.
Oh, I see stuff.
Space That's just a kid with an expensive camera. What's going on? Oh no, we lost a bit. Hey, I got an idea, Rex. Let's film that bit. See the kid turning around? Hey, come here, good dummy in your gob. Let's see.
You're amazing. We got on the Zing.